Pydantic AI's agent class drives structured output by binding an output type to each run, and the prompted output marker shifts the mechanism from tool calling to prompt injected schema instruction. The visible code instantiates two agents, each wrapping a list of Pydantic models in prompted output with distinct name, description, and template parameters, then runs them synchronously against natural language questions about vehicles and devices. The first agent configures prompted output with a name and description, while the second overrides the default schema prompt using a custom template string, demonstrating how the injected instruction shapes what the model returns. From Pydantic import base model. From Pydantic AI import agent, prompted output. From tool output import vehicle. Class device base model. Name, SDR. Kind, SDR. Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5.2. Output type equals prompted output. Vehicle device, #1. Name equals vehicle or device. Description equals return a vehicle or device. Result equals agent. Run sync what is a MacBook. Printer result, output. Device name equals MacBook. Kind equals laptop. Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5.2. Output type equals prompted output. Vehicle, device. Template equals gimme some JSON. Schema. Result equals agent. Run sync what is a Ford Explorer. Printer result, output. Vehicle name equals Ford Explorer. Wheels equals 4. Prompted output wraps a list of Pydantic models in a marker class that injects the schema into the model's instructions rather than registering output tools. This bypasses tool calling, relying on the model to parse the prompt and return valid JSON matching the schema. The first agent uses default name and description, while the second swaps in a custom template string with schema to control exactly how the schema prompt reads. The trade-off is reliability. Tool output and native output force the model through structured mechanisms, but prompted output is model agnostic and works on any model. The downside is it's the least reliable approach since the model isn't forced to match the schema, though Pydantic AI still validates and retries on validation failure. Custom templates let you tune the prompt for better compliance when you need it. Let's break it down. From Pydantic import base model. From Pydantic AI import agent, prompted output. Imports base model from Pydantic for data validation, and agent and prompted output from Pydantic AI to construct and manage an AI agent with structured output handling. Class device base model. Name, SDR. Kind, SDR. Defines a Pydantic model named device with two string fields, name and kind. Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5.2. Instantiates an agent bound to the OpenAI GPT-5.2 model provider. The string OpenAI GPT-5.2 specifies which LLM the agent will use. Result equals agent. Run sync what is a MacBook. Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the prompt, what is a MacBook, and stores the returned run result in result. Printer result, output. Device name equals MacBook. Kind equals laptop. Prints the wrapper of the agent's output, displaying a device instance with name MacBook and kind laptop. Agent equals agent. OpenAI, GPT-5.2. Creates an agent instance bound to the variable agent, initialized with the OpenAI GPT-5.2 model provider as its first argument. The constructor call is incomplete. Additional parameters may follow. Result equals agent. Run sync what is a Ford Explorer. Printer result, output. Vehicle name equals Ford Explorer. Wheels equals 4. Invokes the agent synchronously with a query about a Ford Explorer and prints the structured output, a vehicle object with name and wheels fields displayed via repr. PromptedOutput trades the structured enforcement of tool calling for flexibility. You inject the schema as prompt instruction, the model parses it and returns JSON, and Pydantic validates after the fact with retries on failure. The first agent shows the defaults at work, picking device for MacBook, while the second swaps in a custom template to control exactly how the schema prompt reads, picking vehicle for Ford Explorer. Same models, same list of types, but the name, description, and template parameters shift what the model understands it's being asked to return. That's the lever, less reliable by design, but model agnostic and tunable when you need it.
PromptedOutput lays vehicle and device before the model, which reaches for one and whispers its name.